Hey, let me show you all touch sensor gestures that you can use on the Redmi Buds 6 Lite. So when we go right here, we can find single tap, double tap, triple tap, and press and hold. And what we can find here, we can change songs. So we can turn previous song or next song. We can change volume level, volume up and volume down, and we can play and pause. And it's actually everything for this normal taps like double tap, triple tap. As you can see, that's everything. But we can also go for the press and hold when we can switch noise cancellation modes. So we can turn between the transparency mode, noise cancellation, we can turn them off, but also we can wake the voice assistant. And it's not finished because right here we can even find some kind of the call gestures that are not available here. And when we double tap, we can answer or end calls. When we triple tap, we can cancel call or reject call. And that will be all. We get actually two additional call gestures on the Redmi Buds 6 Lite. So thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.